Okay, good morning, one and all. Today we discuss about LC oscillation. LC oscillation. Here, what is the L? What is the C? L is a inductor, C is the capacitor. That is inductor. This is the capacitor. What is the use of inductor? What is the use of inductor? These are the both devices. That is, L is a inductor. It store the energy. Store energy in the form of magnetic field. In the form of magnetic field. So in the capacitor, store energy in the form of what? Electric field. Inductor is a device to store the energy in the form of magnetic field, and also capacitor store the energy in the form of electric field. Suppose combine, these are the connected to in a circuit, it can be oscillate like vibration. These are form a like oscillation like wave nature. That is suppose you can draw one wave nature, sinusoidal nature. That is electric field like this, alternating. In the case of alternating current, that can be changes. Current will be changes. Inductor also store the magnetic field. Suppose this is the electric field like this. This is electric field. This is electric field. This is the magnetic field. This is magnetic field. This is magnetic field. Electric field. Electric field. That means electric field is up and down, like up down, up down. That means this type of changing the electric field or magnetic field is called oscillation. These are like electric field in the form of capacitor, magnetic field in the inductor. This changing the magnetic field or electric field in the LCR circuit. This type of circuit is called LC oscillations. It can be vibration like wave nature. In the form of electric field, magnetic field, it form a wave nature, that is electromagnetic wave nature. This can be explained in the next chapter. This is the electromagnetic wave nature. Suppose we can take initially we can connect to the LCR circuit like this. This is the inductor. This is the capacitor. Inductor, capacitor, positive, negative. Okay, without any any current passing through no current is passing through the circuit. The capacitor having charge, that is charge Q. In the initially it can be maximum capacitor. Capacitor is fully charged in the form of electric field. In the case of inductor, there is no energy. In the first initial case, there is no energy stored in the inductor. This is the initial case. Suppose we can connect the current or key. Suppose we can take the key here. Key here. We can connect the key. The current is passing through the circuit. This is the inductor like this, capacitor. The current will be changes, and that means key is connected to the key. The current is passing through the circuit like this. When a current is passing through the inductor, what is the phenomena? The magnetic field will be generated. The magnetic field will be generated through the coil. The flux will be changes. The flux will be changes in the coil. It can be create the induced EMF. It is induced EMF. This phenomena in the self-induction. Okay, this is the magnetic field changes. The flux will be changes. Okay, flux will be changes means it create the induced EMF in the according to Faraday. Okay, this is the in the case of inductor. Okay, this is a capacitor can be discharging. That is initially full charging 100%. Okay, we can apply the current. The charge carriers are distributed through the circuit. It can be current will be decreases, sorry, charge carriers will be decreases. That means capacitor will be discharging with applying the current through the circuit. Now according to KVL, Kirchhoff voltage law, that is any the potential is developed any closed loop is 0. That is the voltage developed across the capacitor is Q by C minus, that is voltage developed across the inductor minus L dA by dt. That is voltage developed, it is opposes the induced EMF, that is minus L dA by dt. This can be explained in the previous lecture, that is in the case of AC voltage applied to the inductor, that it can be negative opposes the induced EMF. From this equation we can write down Q by C is equal to L dA by dt. Suppose in the case what is the current is passing through the capacitor, the current is equal to minus dou Q by dou T. What is the negative charge means? Here current is passing through the circuit, the capacitor will be discharging. That means charges can be distributed, the capacitor will be decreases, the charge will be decreases, that is a charge will be decreases. That is a negative symbol is the decreasing of the charge carriers in the capacitor. Okay, this value substitute in this equation. Q by C is equal to minus Q by C is equal to L dA by dt. What is the I value? Minus dou Q by dou T. Okay, Q by C is equal to L dou square Q by dou T square. This minus comes this side. That means dou square Q by dou T square. This L comes to the side. Negative also come to the side. It is minus Q by LC. Okay, next d square Q by dt square minus plus Q by LC is equal to 0. This is the equation of motion in the LC circuit. This is in the case of classical mechanics is d square Q by dt square plus Q by C is the equation of motion in the LC oscillation or LC circuit. That can be oscillate. This is the equation of motion for it can be matched with simple harmonic motion or oscillator. Like what is the oscillator formula? Dou square y by dou T square plus y square omega square plus y is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1. Compare both. This is the for oscillator or simple harmonic motion. That is a mechanical form. This is in the form of electrical oscillation. This is mechanical oscillation. Okay, both will be same in the form of this is oscillation in the form of mechanical energy. This is oscillation, LC oscillation in the form of electrical energy. Okay, now compare both equation 1, equation number 2 from omega square is equal to what? Omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Omega is equal to under root of LC. What is omega? 2 pi f. Okay, it can be written as 2 pi f is equal to 1 by root of LC. F is equal to 1 by 2 pi into under root of LC. F is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root of LC. What is this one? This is the resonance frequency. That is yesterday explained now. That is resonance frequency is depends upon LC circuit. When we get resonance frequency, that is the maximum frequency, we get resonance frequency. At resonance frequency we get IRMS will be maximum current, that is RMS current is maximum at resonance frequency, that is I becomes I maximum, current will be maximum at resonance frequency, that is we get sound quality is better sound at that means more amplitude, like this. Suppose swing is there, swing or simple pendulum oscillate, this is 0 position, this oscillate it increase at highest point, this is the maximum amplitude, this is the maximum amplitude. After some time it comes to rest position. Initially we get, that means it can be damping, oscillation can be decreases, that amplitude will be decreases, that is the maximum amplitude or maximum current at resonance frequency. At resonance frequency means that is at this point we get highest amplitude, that is highest amplitude means highest current. This is in the case of mechanical, this is in the case of electrical case. Okay, now compare this one, we get to resonance frequency. What is the solution for this equation? Omega and rho square y by dot square plus omega square y is equal to 0. The solution of the oscillator in mechanical form, that is solution is y is equal to a sin omega t plus pi. This is the equation for this equation. Similarly we can write the solution for this equation. This is in the form of q form, that is q is equal to qm. This is the here is the a is the amplitude, qm is the maximum charge in the capacitor LC circuit. Qm is equal to cos omega t plus phi. This is the solution for LC oscillator. This is the solution of LC oscillator. Okay, we talk about LC oscillator. This is the solution of the oscillator. Here charge of the charge of the LC charge carriers can be rotate or varied with sinusoidally, that is alternating, like this. Sinusoidal means sine wave, like a sine wave, or periodically changes with time. There is a charge will be changes with time. This is the charge capacity. Okay, initially we get in the case of capacitor, initially it can be maximum at t is equal to 0. That means initial case, initially at t is equal to 0, what is the charge Q is equal to qm, that is maximum charge in the capacitor. So we get, we can this value substitute this in the form qm is equal to qm cos pi. Okay, we get qm is cancelled, cos pi is equal to what? 1. When we get cos pi is equal to 1, what is the value? Cos pi, cos 0, cos 0 is equal to, cos 0 is equal to 1, that is pi is equal to 0. At cos 0 is equal to 1, we get pi is equal to pi. Okay, with this value substitute in the formula, that is phase difference is 0 at initial case, that is Q is equal to qm cos qm is equal to cos omega t, that is pi is equal to 0. Here pi is equal to 0, this value substitute in the 0 pi value is substitute in the this equation, we get q is equal to qm cos omega t. Okay, we can write the in the form of current. Okay, what is the I value? I is equal to minus dou q by dou t. Derivative, this can be this q value substitute in the this equation, I is equal to minus dou by dou t, q value is equal to qm cos omega t. cos omega t, that is I is equal to minus qm. Omega v is coming. Next, what is the derivative of cos? Minus sine, that is minus plus sine omega t, that is the I is equal to qm omega sine omega t. Okay, we can write in the form of maximum current, that is Im sine omega t. Here Im is equal to qm omega. This is also explained. This is in the form of LCR circuit. Same. This is the Im is equal to qm by omega. That is same explanation for the LC oscillation also. This is the current in the LCR circuit periodically changes or sinusoidally changes with time. Okay, this is the current applied to the LC circuit. Now these can be more applications in the electrical devices like speaker, mobile, TV, etc. These are the more applications. Suppose how to changing the energy in the form of inductor or capacitor. This can be how to changing the capacitor, changing the charge carriers. It can be shown in the figure, that is in the first diagram. That is capacitor will be initial case full charged, that is 4 charge carriers is there, that is current direction or charge carrier direction is downward, that is positive to negative. That is capacitor, that is inductor at t is equal to 0 at time initial case at t is equal to 0 without applying current, that is there is no power supply. We get highest maximum energy stored in the capacitor. The energy stored in the capacitor is half q square by 2c, maximum charge qm square by 2c. In the case of inductor, there is no charge, that is magnetic field stored energy is 0 in the initial case. Suppose in the case of string, we can take the mechanical case. This string like this stretching, this is potential energy, and it can be in the form, it is potential energy E is equal to half Ka square. Here K is the spring constant. Here K is equal to potential energy, kinetic energy will be 0. There is no motion, only it is can be constant with high height. We get potential energy, kinetic energy will be 0, that is magnetic field will be 0, kinetic energy will be 0. There is no motion. Okay, this is the first case. In the case of second case, the charge will be only 2 charges, that means positive into inductor. That can be okay. Here current is passing through the circuit like this. Current is passing through the charging means charges, capacitor will be discharging. Discharging means charge carriers will be decreases. Here will be initial case 4 charge carriers, here only 2 charge carriers. That means current is passing through the circuit. What is it in inductor? At inductor, the current is passing through the circuit, the magnetic field will be created. The magnetic field is there, the changing the magnetic field will be created, the flux will be created, flux will be changes. When flux will be changes, induced EMF will be created. Induced EMF will be created. Suppose here also in the case of motion, that is string also, there is equal energy, that is in the case of string like this. Potential is not equal to 0, kinetic energy is not equal to 0, that is off case. Both will be off. Inductor is in the off, capacitor will be off. Stored energy, off stored energy, that is there is no any maximum energy. Suppose in the case of third case, it is capacitor, it is inductor, there will be lot of magnetic field, magnetic lines of forces is there. That means we get maximum, that initially capacitor maximum, okay, up to 3 steps. There is 2 charge carriers, there is 0 charge carrier, that is Q is equal to 0 charge, there is no charge in the capacitor, that is discharging, full converted into magnetic field, electrical converted into magnetic field completely. That is in this third case, that is potential energy in the case of stored for capacitor is equal to 0. In the case of magnetic field, the potential energy is of Li square. So in the case of string mechanical, like this, that is potential energy is 0, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, that is in motion, electrons in the motion, that is charge carriers in motion, we get highest kinetic energy in the case of third case. Next, fourth case. Okay, in the third case, inductor is full charged. Another next one, it can full charged. This energy converted into electrical energy converted into magnetic field. This magnetic field converted into electrical energy. That is the electrons flow from inductor to charges will be flow from inductor to capacitor. There is in the case of reverse case. Initially, like this, charge carriers are in this direction. In the fourth one, charges will be opposite direction in the capacitor, that is positive, negative. In the case of initial case, there is upward positive, downward negative. Here downward is positive, upward is negative, that is charges in the opposite direction. Initially charge carriers from capacitor to inductor. In the case of fourth case, charges from inductor to capacitor, that is the reverse direction. Here same potential energy, potential energy and kinetic energy is there. Kinetic energy is there, that is in this case like this. This is a string. Okay, next this is the figure A, figure B, figure C, figure D. Next figure F, like same like as a first figure. Here 4 charge carriers is there, but compared to first case, that is the charge carriers is in the downward, this charge carriers in the upward direction. This upward direction, this is downward charge carriers, this is upward direction. That is the first case is up compared to fifth case is the opposite direction. Here store the capacitor is equal to, in the capacitor the stored energy is equal to of Q square by 2C, and magnetic field will be 0, and also potential energy is equal to of Ka square, kinetic energy will be 0, but direction is the opposite direction compared to in the first case, and fifth case is opposite to. That means here like this, initially like this, like this, like this. That means electric field, in the electric field charge carriers is increases, mali decreases. Okay, when electric field decreases, same in the phenomena magnetic field also same, increases, decreases, increases, like a wave nature. This is electric field in the capacitor, this is magnetic field in the inductor. So that is in the case of first case. See here in the textbook. Okay, whatever may be. This is the first case, second case, third case, fourth case, fifth case. In the case of fifth case, initial case and final case will be same, that is total 360 degrees. In the case of AC generator, the rectangular coil can be rotated 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. That is 0 degrees, like a 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. That is total circulation at that is t half t by 2. That means it can be rotate 360 degrees. That is a wave nature. LC circuit as a vibrations, like vibration means like this, stretching or vibration like a wave form, that is wave nature. That is can be sinusoidal equation. This is the in the case of inductor and capacitor can be changes the energy, stored energy can be converted into one form to another form. Suppose like this, initial case capacitor will be full charged, this capacitor, this is inductor is empty, inductor. Next step, that is first one, next step both will be half, capacitor will be half, inductor will be half. This is capacitor, this is inductor, half. Next case, capacitor is 0, inductor will be full charged, full stored energy. This capacitor, it is inductor. Next case, the charge carries in the upward direction or down. This capacitor same, that is the inductor also off. Next case, charging full charged, capacitor inductor will be 0. This capacitor, inductor, 1 2 3 4 5 at 0, theta 0 degrees, theta is equal to 90 degrees, theta is equal to 180 degrees, theta is equal to 270 degrees, theta is equal to 360 degrees. Complete rotated circle, that is like a wave nature. In the case of AC conductor, electric field and magnetic field wave like as a vibration, stitching like swing or simple harmonic motion, LC oscillation. That is we get highest amplitude, that is at resonance frequency. This resonance frequency, that is the wave nature in the LC circuit. Okay, now the LC oscillation is a similar to mechanical oscillator. Okay, that is it mechanical energy in the form of like a simple pendulum. This is the wave nature, this is the similar mode, this is the maximum amplitude. In the case of mechanical, this is the electrical, this is the electrical case, this is the mechanical case. Both will be stretching or vibration or sinusoidal form. The charge in the case of electric field, charge can be changes or current will be changes sinusoidally. this is the displacement can be changes compared to mechanical and electrical energy. From the compared to equations, in the case of mechanical energy, what is the simple harmonic motion, oscillating motion? That is dou square x by dou t square plus omega square x is equal to 0. In the previous cases, with respect to y, that is in the case of y direction, that means electric field, magnetic field, and in the same direction, that is electric field, that is vector form, that is magnetic field x y z form. Suppose in the case of simple arc motion, in the this is y direction, what is this formula? Dou square y by dou t square plus omega square y is the, it is also mechanical simple harmonic motion or oscillator. This is also oscillator form, that is in the form of x. This is that is the y form, this is in the form of x. So from here omega is equal to k by m, omega under root of k by m. Here k is equal to spring constant. In this case, mechanical energy of the system F is equal to ma. What is ma? A value m dv by dt, that is m dou square x by dou t square. In the case of, that is in the case of electrical energy, that is stretching of displacement. It is x means displacement. Simple arc motion can be displacement, that is changing the displacement. In the case of electrical, induced EMF is equal to minus L dou I by dou t. What is the I value? Minus L dou square q by dou t square. This is the energy in the form of electrical. It is a electrical energy. It is a mechanical energy. This is displacement. This is like wave nature, or like this wave nature, like this same, or stretching like this vibration wave nature. This is the alternating current. In the presence of alternating current, there is displacement will be occur in the mechanical case. This is the electrical case. These two equations can be compare this one. Here L is a compared to resistance in the case of inductor, and also C is compared to K, spring constant, 1 by C compared to equal to analog to K value. L is analog to M, mass of the pendulum. Okay, this is analog to 1 by C, analog to K. Inductor is analog to mass of the pendulum. It is these are the mechanical, these are the electrical cases. Some of the analog between the mechanical and electrical that can be here is there. Okay, see here, that is analog of between the mechanical energy and electrical energy. How to some parameter will be changes. The masses in the case of only mechanical case. This is the electrical case. This mass in the electrical, that analog to inductor. That means what is the behavior of M in the mechanical, what is the same like behavior in the form of electrical. That means it act as a inductor. Masses in the case of masses, how to behavior in the mechanical case. In the case of inductor, it also behavior like mass in the case of electrical case. There is electrical parameters, this is the mechanical parameters. This can be same behavior. These parameters can be behavior in the mechanical cases. This is the electrical cases. Force constant K, this is 1 by C, like as a 1 by C. Is the K in the case of mechanical case behavior. In the case of 1 by C, the electrical case, both will be same phenomena or same behavior. That is, properties will be same, like as a stitching or any properties will be same. That is the electrical case, that is the mechanical case. Velocity v is equal to dou by dou x can be completely so now in the case of it is v dou square v dou square by dou t, sorry the v it is acceleration, okay, that is v dou x by dou t. This is displacement in the case of mechanical, that is simpler motion displacement. In the case of current, that is charge, only changing the charge can be changes. In the case of electrical, in the case of mechanical, displacement can be changes. That is mechanical energy equation is equal to half kx square plus half m square, that is electrical energy, kinetic energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. That is in the case of electrical energy. This is the magnetic energy, sorry, that is electrical energy, this is the magnetic energy, this is the potential energy, this is the kinetic energy, potential energy, kinetic energy. This is electrical energy plus magnetic energy or B, magnetic field, electric field. Potential energy, this storing of energy in the form of potential and kinetic energy. This energy, stored energy in the form of electrical form and magnetic form. This is the same phenomena, stretching, vibration, any properties or any behavior in this case is same. Okay. Now we discuss LC oscillation is not realistic to some regions. That means it is not discussion about two regions. That means every inductor has some resistance. That means inductor has some resistance. This effect, the resistance effect is not to introduce damping. Suppose in the case of AC generator, like this, north pole, south pole. One is what, copper plate. It can be rotate without presence of absence of magnetic field. The oscillations can be 10 seconds. Okay, up to come to minimize. Up in the 10 seconds, it comes to rest position. It can be take 10 oscillations. With the 10 seconds, it come to rest mean position. It can be 0. The displacement will be 0. But in the presence of magnetic field will be appear. The magnetic field will be appear. The flux can be changes. It is like as north pole, south pole. That means the time can be decreases. It can be with the presence of magnetic field within the 5 seconds. The displacement can be 0. That means it comes to rest position. Within the presence of only 5 seconds, the oscillations can be decreases. It comes to rest position in the time 5 seconds. That is the time will be decreases. That is the damping. Damping means it is a eddy current. This type of current is called oscillating current. In the case of oscillating current is called circulating current or oscillating current. This type of current is called eddy current. In the case of eddy current, we can replace the copper rod. We can minimize the area like this. Minimize the area. We want to minimize the area. First initial case is the like this. Second case like this. The area will be high. That is the area will be less. The flux will be decreases. The current that means time also decreases. That is can be in the case of inductor. Oscillations can be delay. That means that is oscillations can be decreases with damping oscillation in the case of inductor. Next, second case, if the resistance were 0 of the system would not remain constant. It is radiated away from the system. M from electrical energy waves is next chapter. if the resistance is 0, the final energy of the system would not remain constant. Okay, suppose if resistance is not 0, inductor, any metal having some resistance. Suppose resistance is 0 in the circuit or in the any system, that can be energy is not constant, that is converted into one form to another form in the form of electromagnetic waves. That is energy is converted one form to another form. That is in the case of radio, TV, transmitter, transformer, depends upon radiation. Okay, thank you one and all. Okay, now we solve the one problem, that is example problem, that is 10.1, that is show that in the pre-oscillations of the LC circuit, some of the energy stored in the capacitor and inductor is at constant time. What is the energy stored in the LC circuit? Now we can explain what is the energy stored in the LC circuit. In the case of LC circuit, like this, inductor, capacitor, positive, negative, it is inductor, there is capacitor. Okay, these are stored energy stored in the form of what? Magnetic field. Capacitor stored in the energy, electric field. Okay, in the case of capacitor, energy stored in the electric field. Energy in the case inductor, energy stored in the form of magnetic field. Okay, what is the energy, sum of the energy in the LC circuit? Now Q is the charge stored in the capacitor, is Q naught. Let charged capacitor, the current is passing through the circuit, the flux will be linkages, flux will be created, and magnetic lines of forces induced EMF also formed in the inductor. In this case, this is LC oscillation also in the LC circuit. Now what is the sum of the energy stored in the inductor and capacitor, that is LC circuit? What is the LC circuit oscillation with frequency? Now in the case of LC circuit, equation is dou square Q by dou T square plus Q by LC is equal to 0. This is the equation of motion LC oscillation, LC oscillator, that is for in the form of electrical energy. Okay, now with compared to frequency, that is 1 by Q omega is equal to 1 by omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Omega is equal to what? Under root of LC. That is in the form of frequency, F is equal to 1 by 2 pi under root of LC. This is the explained in the LC circuit. Now in the case of capacitor, the charge is stored in the capacitor, the current is passing through the capacitor, that is the charge will be decreases. Initially full charged capacitor will be full charging. After we can without any current is applying, we can applying AC source is applying, the current will be passed through the circuit, the flux will be created or induced EMF will be appear in the inductor, the capacitor will be discharging, that is flow of charging, it can be through the circuit, the current will be passing through the circuit, the capacitor will be discharging. That is the reason. What is the charge in the capacitor is given, Q is equal to Q naught cos omega t in the previous case, that is in the LC circuit. Now this current is decreasing, that is I is equal to minus dou Q by dou T, that is charging, current is passing through the capacitor, the charge carriers in the capacitor will be decreases, that is the reason is a negative. Okay, what is the q value? You can substitute here. We get E is equal to dou by dou t into q is q naught cos omega t. We get minus cos, derivative of cos is minus q naught, omega will come omega sin omega t. That is the I is equal to, this is q is equal to 1, this is equation number 1. This is I is equal to minus q naught omega sin omega t. This is equation number 2. Equation number 1, equation number 2. This is energy stored in the capacitor. What is the energy stored in the capacitor? You know, potential energy in the capacitor Vc is equal to half Cv square. You know, Q is equal to Cv, V is equal to Q by C. Okay, Cv square. One is what is the QV? C square V square. Okay, it can be written as 1 by C, and that means Q square by 2C. Or what is the Q value? What is the Q value? Q is equal to this value substitute in the formula. In this case 1 by 2C q naught square cos square omega t. Okay, this is the energy stored in the capacitor. This is equation number 3. Okay, I is equal to minus q naught sin omega t. Equation number 2. Here current potential energy stored in the capacitor of Cv square or of Cv square. Q is equal to Cv. We value substitute, we get to q square by 2c. Q value here, this value substitute in the formula, we get 1 by 2c q naught square cos square omega t. This is equation number 3. Same, that is energy stored. Energy stored in capacitor. Okay, now the energy stored in the inductor, that is in the form of magnetic field, that is half Li square. Okay, from half L is there, I is equal to equation number 2. Substitute in the equation, this equation, that is minus into square means minus q naught omega sin omega t whole square. We get 1 by 2 L q naught square omega square sin square omega t. Okay, what is the relation? Omega is equal to 1 by root of LC. From this equation, omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Omega square is equal to 1 by LC. Okay, from this equation, omega into L is equal to 1 by C. Omega square into L is equal to 1 by C. Omega square into L, omega is square is there, L is there, omega square L, that value is 1 by C. This value substitute in the formula, 1 by 2 C, 1 by C here, 2 q naught square sin square omega t. This is the energy stored in the form in the inductor. This is the energy stored in the form of magnetic field in the inductor. This is equation number 4. Now sum of the energies. Sum of the energies in the LC circuit or LC oscillator. Okay, that is energy stored in the capacitor. Energy stored in the capacitor, energy stored in the inductor, that is UE plus UM, magnetic field, or B, UB or UM. It is energy stored in the capacitor, energy stored in the inductor, that is UE. UB is equal to what? From equation number 3 and 4. From this equation, okay, the energy stored in the capacitor, energy stored in the inductor. Okay, now we get 1 by 2c q naught square cos square omega t plus 1 by 2c q naught square sin square omega t. Okay, here 1 by 2 q naught square is common. Okay, 1 by 2c q naught square is common. We get cos square omega t plus sin square omega t. What is this form? This is form means cos square theta sin square theta is equal to what? 1. This is equal to 1. Sin square theta, it is sin square theta cos square theta is equal to 1. From this equation we get one value, that is energy stored in the LC circuit, sum of the magnetic field and electric field, that is 1 by 2c q naught square by 2c. This is the sum of the energy stored in the form of q naught in the inductor and capacitor. Both this is independent of time, that is initial energy of the capacitor is converted into magnetic field. This is the sum of the energy, magnetic field and electric field, sum of the energy stored in the LC circuit or LC oscillator. Thank you.